Close your shirt. Button up your shirt. Can you borrow me some money? Can you lend me some money? Close the tap. Turn off the tap. Close the curtain. Draw the curtains. Do a photo. Take a photo. Do a party. Have a party. Do a shower. Take a shower. Do the bed. Make the bed. Do a mistake. Make a mistake.